Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Joy. Today I'm going to show you the best way you can detox your body, and this drink is going to make you lose weight. If you want a sexy body, if you want a flat tummy, if you want to look sexy, this drink is best for you to look sexy. So I'm going to show you how I do my detox drink every morning and night. So this is what I take every morning and night that makes me look sexy, makes my tummy flat, and I'm losing weight. So I'm gonna share with you right now. So this is my mint. I have my mint leaf here, and I have my apple cider vinegar, I have my lemon, and I have ginger here, and my cucumber. So now I will be cutting my cucumber into a sliced pieces. So I'm gonna cut my ginger. So I have my water here, a full bottle of water. So I'm gonna transfer it into. I take half of the water. I have my mint leaf here. So I'm gonna wash it. You have to wash your mint leaf to avoid dirt. So I've finished washing my mint leaf. So I don't cut the stick, so I just pop it into the water. It is very simple and easy to make. This will detox your body. You drink this first thing in the morning and before going to bed at night. So I'm gonna add my apple cider vinegar. I'll add like 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar. And I will pop in my ginger. I will add my cucumber. This is the best way to detox your body. So I will add my lemon. So I'm going to cut my lemon. So I'm going to shake it together, as you can see. So I make this every 2 days. I drink one this morning, I drink one at night, so tomorrow I do the same thing again. So this is how I make my own detox drink, and this drink is very, very powerful, and it's very good for if you want to lose weight. This drink is powerful. It's going to help you lose weight in no time. When you take it this drink every day, It doesn't have side effect. This is a perfect drink. It would detox your body. Very, very effective. So this is how I make my detox drink. As you can see, you shake it. So I always like making mine after 2 days. I make my detox drink and it is good to go. So that is the end of this video. If you find this video helpful and useful, please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you will not miss any of my video. I upload video almost every day on this channel, and please don't miss any of the video I have for you. So check out all of my video. I have an amazing and interesting video that you will benefit from it. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I hope it's helpful to you. Bye.